What's good, YouTube? This is RPU here, and I'm back again with another video. And guys, today I'm going to be speaking on DeFi oracles as they have made some updates regarding Songbird delegation within Flare Finance. You guys know I had my Songbird staked within Flare Farms. I'm staking my wrapped Songbird for SFIN, and people were telling me that I didn't have to move my Songbird to qualify for the FTSO delegation rewards. They were saying, it was automatically delegated to a FTSO. And so, being that the project was fairly new, I was like, all right, I'm going to just leave my Songbird within Flare Finance and see if I'm going to get it. And so the end of the epoch happened, and we're now starting a new epoch, this week. And so I checked my Flare Farms, and I did not get any delegation rewards. No Songbird delegation rewards. And so I was looking online, trying to figure out, where's my Songbird rewards. And DeFi Oracle has recently made an update that we're going to talk about right here, right now. So follow Flare Finance on Twitter at Flare Finance, institutional grade decentralized finance built on the Flare network, from the creators of Flare Scan and DeFi Oracles. You should be following all three of them. Follow the Songbird community at Songbird.com. Songbird, the Canary Network for Flare, community of communities. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter at RPUReloaded so you get my latest videos, updates, and retweets of things that I think are interesting within the crypto space. And before we jump into this information, let's pay some bills. So if you don't know, Bitrue is the first and only exchange to offer futures trading with Songbird. They offer a no maker fee and leverage up to 5x. If you know, two of my favorite words in this space are collateral and leverage. So if you're good at longing and shorting the market, you can now trade futures with Songbird exclusively on Bitrue. If you're interested, my link will be in the description. Alright, so let's jump into this information. Songbird community says, "Dear exchanges, could you please release the Songbird tokens you have received, or at least update your loyal customers on what you are doing with them? Many thanks." It's really sad how these exchanges are really like screwing their customers, They got the Songbird. But they're not giving it out to their customers. Now, some exchanges said they were going to support Flare. Some exchanges said they were going to support Songbird. Some said they were going to support Flare, but they weren't going to support Songbird. And, I'm going to keep saying this. I know I sound like a broken record, but you need to get cold storage as soon as possible. You cannot trust these exchanges with your digital assets. Pull your money off the exchange, because you cannot trust these exchanges. I know that people want to put out, articles saying, that exchanges are not being malicious, but you got exchanges out here saying they're not going to support the airdrop, but they're trying to claim the airdrop on the low. You see that? So, man, these exchanges are doing their customers really dirty. Blank says I've been onto crypto.com for months, so I left them alone over the holidays and got stuck in again yesterday. No answers, no news either. They won't even reply once I mention the question. They won't even put a date on it. Nothing about X5 snapshot either. Damn. I don't know, man. I mean, if Crypto.com got the XFi and Songbird, then they need to release it. You should be able to see it on the blockchain. But after the airdrops, the rest of the tokens got burned. So it may be too late if they, But if the exchanges got the Songbird, you should be able to see that on the blockchain, and they should give people their Songbird if it's rightfully theirs. Bobby says, at Nexo Finance, hey Nexo, how long you keeping and making money with our airdrops? Don't forget, you only have them because we trusted you with our XRP back then, which was clearly a big fucking mistake. Where is our Songbird and XFi? But I thought Nexo had made an announcement saying they were going to airdrop people's Songbird and XFi at the same time. Y'all remember that? In one of my videos? What's going on out here? Crypto.com says, release my Songbird and all my staking rewards you've accumulated. Wow. Do you think these exchanges are out here delegating people's Songbird to Flare Finance? I mean, that would be kind of messed up, You're not... what's stopping an exchange from participating in Flare Finance? Nothing. It's a decentralized application, so anybody with Songbird should be able to participate, but that would be kind of messed up if they were out here staking people's Songbird and not giving it to them. That's messed up. Wow. Jojo says, I'm still waiting on Crypto.com. After this, I'm never using their services again. Yeah, it's a learning lesson, man. It's a learning lesson. Ian says, it's been almost 3 months since you said you released Songbird. At Kraken support. Northern 9 says, Nexo blocked me for continuously asking to update us on Songbird distribution. Pathetic to block a customer with 20 followers. Remember that Nexo will distribute in order to save face, not in order to support the community. Nexo is dirty as fuck. Wow. I thought Nexo was going to release Songbird and XFi at the same time. Now, Patty XRP retweeted Songbird community and said, I second this. Especially at Coinbase owes their customers a comment on the issue at the very least. Tag exchanges that still need to deliver. Yeah, Coinbase ain't said nothing. They ain't said bye, F you, kiss my butt, They just got people's Flare and Songbird. I showed you in one of my videos, Coinbase has multiple XRP wallets. Multiple. And they claim Songbird and Spark tokens for both of them. They have the Songbird. But they ain't said not one thing to their customers. And so, man, that's some really shady stuff, man. You need to tag your exchanges and get on them about your Songbird, man. I don't know what to say. Fed Hater says, at Real Patty XRP, why is Twitter censoring your tweet? Let's do at Coinbase. Greenwood says, Brian Armstrong and Coinbase and his team are too busy spending all the money they made off of us. He just bought a $133 million house that was formerly owned by Seagram heiress Ellen Bronfman. Wow. JC says, hey, Brian Armstrong at Coinbase support. We're still waiting for Coinbase to distribute it to us. Songbird, at Songbird. Like and retweet. Which I did. You see, this is Brian. Brian is the CEO of Coinbase. Brian won't give XRP holders on Coinbase their Songbird tokens. Don't be like Brian. All you other exchanges, don't be like Brian out there. Songbird community says, free the Songbird. Hashtag retweet me. You guys should be retweeting and liking this post. Free the Songbird. I'm hashtag forever free the Songbird. You guys, if you didn't get your Songbird, you should be liking and sharing this video to get the message out. You should be adding your exchanges, to get them to give you your Songbird tokens. It's really sad what these exchanges are doing to their customers. We give them money We give them our hard-earned dollars. They tax us. They tax us when we buy. And they're getting so much money. And now they don't want to give us our just due. IKY Cat says, please ask Bitrue for me. XFi and hundreds of others didn't get any besides holding large quantities. I don't know, man. The XFi after the airdrop, the rest of the XFi got burned. So, I mean, it might be too late for a lot of people if their exchange didn't participate. But if their exchange did participate and they got the Songbird, then they need to free the Songbird. Now, JC Collins says at DeFi Oracles, well, this is disappointing. Would have been nice to know that our Wrap Songbird and Flare Farm wasn't going to be delegated for Epoch 16. Certainly glad I moved it out to capture Epoch 17. Glad to support this community, but there's definitely some opportunity on communication. So for some reason, those people who had their Wrap Songbird staked in Flare Farms for SVIN did not get the FTSO delegation rewards for last week. Shamil says, so those who held Wrap Songbird and Flare Farm this week have missed out on this Epoch rewards? If so, that is disappointing. Any reason why you didn't lock in the delegations before the cutoff? Blockchain Watcher says, I unstaked Wrap Songbird on Flare Farms on Thursday to delegate with Bifrost till the Saturday Epoch rewards start. It's then undelegated and restaked in Flare Farm now for SVIN. I should have listened to Patty XRP and unstaked my Wrap Songbird, and once the Epoch rewards reset, I could have moved it back, but people were saying I didn't have to do that, so I left it in there, and hey, didn't get it. But I'm not really tripping, because this whole time I've been, mining a $1 million asset known as SVIN. So, I mean, I can't really complain, but at the same time, I need that Songbird, because the more Songbird that you stake, the more SVIN you're going to get back. So, you need the program to work all around. At Denny's says, I don't understand. I had my Wrap Songbird staked in Flare Farms this week. I also received my delegation rewards. I don't know how you did that, because I didn't get any Songbird delegation rewards. I checked. I didn't get nothing this week. Makey says, I have 0 reward too. I staked all my Wrap Songbird to Flare Farms on last Wednesday. Transferred all back to previous FTSO yesterday. For more than a week, staked in Wrap Songbird SVIN. I only received SVIN. 0 delegation rewards. Yeah, same here. Guys Old School says the first week they delegated for Wrap Songbird and Flare loans. This epoch, people with Wrap Songbird and Flare Farms will get the SGB rewards at the end of this epoch, I think. So why is it that, am I going to have to move my Songbird around Flare Finance every week just to qualify for the delegation rewards? Why is it okay, 1 week those in Flare loans get the rewards, then next week Flare Farms, and then what's next week? Flare X? Am I gonna have to constantly move my Songbird within Flare Finance? I'd rather just move my Songbird back and forth to my Bifrost every week. If I have to keep doing all that, I'd rather just, if possible, just leave it in Flare Farms and just let everything accumulate from there. DeFi Oracle says delegation rewards are now available for Flare loans holders. Go to your nest to claim the rewards. Please note, allowing users to collect both Layer 1 blockchain rewards and participate in Layer 2 on-chain protocols is a blockchain first, enabled by the unique design of Songbird. So they're getting to participate in the DeFi app, and they're getting their delegation rewards at the same time. I mean, well, those who had their Songbird and Flare loans, which I did not have, I had my Songbird in Flare Farms, so I guess I'm not getting Songbird, or I didn't get Songbird for last week. DeFi Oracle says, we appreciate your patience as we explore the possibilities and limitations of this brand new ecosystem. If you encounter bugs or errors, please report them in the community bug report channel here. Yeah, Flare Finance has a Discord, so you should join the Discord and start talking to the mods, man. And then they'll be able to answer your questions directly. I'm going to join the Discord after this video. Gas Old School says, my rap Songbird has been in Flare Farms. Still no rewards? Yeah, mine too. I didn't get nothing. But I didn't have mine in this pool. I had mine in the WSGB SFIN pool. So DeFi Oracle's responded to RMC 2016 and says, hi, please consider reading the words. Flare Farm Rap Songbird was delegated on January 12th, 2022. And they like cropped a picture of the words Flare loan holders. You know? So I guess, so if you didn't have your Songbird and Flare loans, you just didn't get it this week. I guess it is what it is. But now on the 12th, they said, we've delegated all the Rap Songbird in the Flare Farm pool to Crypto Binary and Witter FTSO. Once our reward rate improves, half of the delegation will be shifted to DeFi Oracles. So, wow. They have a list of FTSO providers and their fees. That's crazy. 20%, that's a lot. I remember Flare was talking about the fees, saying that was too much. So I guess this week will be the start of delegation for those who have their Rap Songbird within Flare Farms now. So I don't know if we're going to get, we're going to get it made up for last week or not. Maybe we'll get last week and this week at the same time or not. Maybe we just missed out on last week and we'll be getting next week. But I want to know, am I going to have to move my Rap Songbird around Flare Finance every week? Because I just want to keep my Songbird in Flare Farm so I can keep getting my SFIN. Somebody let me know in the comments. So XRP Slovenia says, and when can we claim? DeFi Oracles responded and said, the reward pool takes 1 week to bootstrap. You'll see a claim button under the Wrapped Song pool in just over 1 week. So if you have your Flare Farms in now, you should see your rewards next week? Next Saturday? Valhalla says, wow, this means we're not getting anything this week, right? Danny says, I see this as that we will be able to claim the previous epoch a tad bit later. So we still get our delegation rewards for the Rap Songbird in the farm. So he's saying that we'll be getting both, we're going to be getting all our Songbird. But, he's the only one saying that. So take that with a grain of salt. Take everything with a grain of salt. And so I think now is a good time to review Patty XRP's Rap Songbird staking strategy in case you don't want to have to, deal with all that. You can just, unstake your Wrap Songbird, move it to your Bifrost wallet, delegate it to an FTSO, and then move it back. But then at the same time, you got to take into account, the Songbird fees, which are very little, but you got to have some Songbird, keep a little Songbird in your wallet for gas fees. But we're about to review Patty XRP's Wrap Songbird staking Flare Farm strategy. Now he says, this is intended for those who would like to still utilize their own delegations from their wallet address. Opportunity cost is a couple days per week missed on SFIN earning. Check out the thread below. Now he says the epoch voting lock for delegations take place at a retrospective random time between Thursday morning and Saturday morning. If you want wallet address delegations to count, then you need the Wrap Songbird delegating from your wallet during that period. Every Wednesday night, you could unstake Wrap Songbird back to your wallet and set your delegations. Then on Saturday, once the previous epoch rewards are claimable, you can restake the Wrap Songbird in the Flare Farms to earn SFIN for 5 days until the next Wednesday night. Rinse and repeat. So you could be staking, all week. Then when Wednesday comes, unstake it, move it back to your Bifrost, wait for the rewards to reset, then move it back to Flare Farms if you want to. I'm just going to be giving you all options because, we didn't get our Songbird for this week. So, people are saying that, we'll get all of our Songbird, next week, but we'll see. But I just wanted to give you all your options, Songbird community says Songbird will run parallel alongside Flare. Double opportunities. Nice. It's a parachain. It's running side by side with Flare. At Flare Reddit says the Flare Network's Reddit subreddit has surpassed 10,000 members. Join the growing community and help Flare Network take over Reddit, unlocking value. Yeah, shout out to Reddit. I usually use Reddit for Wall Street bets. Shout out to all the AMC holders and the diamond-handed apes out there, man. But now I got another Reddit community that I can be a part of, man. It's cool and it's growing. Those dudes on Reddit, they know everything. Songbird community says, I fucking love Songbird. Me too, man. I want to see Songbird moon like Kusama did. They both parachains. When are we going to start getting some, parachain auctions on Songbird? That's what I want to see. I want to see parachain auctions on Songbird like I see going on with Kusama, man. Polkadot and Kusama I think they just finished their 7th parachain auction. So you got multiple blockchains building on Kusama. I can't wait to see the same thing happen for Songbird and Flare. JC Collins says, morning routine. Crack open my can of caffeine? Yes. Relapsed after 8 months. Open at Flare Finance Portfolio Tracker. Open Bifrost Wallet. Start claiming SFIN rewards and inputting into the tracker. Life is good on this particular day. Hashtag Songbird Finance. Oh, he drinks Rockstars. I'm more of a Monster energy drink person myself, but hey, he's making passive income just from home every day, these DeFi, opportunities are the future, man. What if there's a time where there's no more jobs, they completely destroyed the economy and there's no more jobs, and then all we have left to, earn a living is DeFi apps, That would be crazy. So you better get familiar with them. Songbird community says, would you purchase Dogecoin / SDoge if you could maximize your SFIN rewards? I said yeah, but 63% said no. That would give Dogecoin some more utility. I mean, people already know how I feel about Dogecoin and the inflating supply. But, you know, if you're getting Dogecoin for the low, or if you're mining Dogecoin, you would be able to delegate that Dogecoin to earn SFIN. That would be like even better. Like you're mining Dogecoin every day with a Dogecoin miner. You're getting Dogecoin every day, and you're constantly feeding that Dogecoin into Flare Finance to earn SFIN. And then you'll have Dogecoin and SFIN. Like you'll be winning. But 63% said no. I mean, a lot of people don't like Dogecoin. Rob XRP says, SFIN/YFIN is the treasure to fight for. Those who comment otherwise have not done their research. On the short term, no. I see more value in having SXRP at the moment, waiting for the court to give XRP. Long term, maybe I would put something into it. Yeah, I want to see more XRP integration onto these blockchains, man. You know, I would like to see a synthetic XRP on the Algorand blockchain. That would be amazing. I would like to see a Go XRP. Songbird community says 2 new projects building on Songbird at NFTSO _ and at reward pool # growing by the day. So more projects being built on the XRP ledger. Rewardpools.xyz says we are ready to test our reward raffle protocol. 500 tickets available, all free. Whitelist sale starts January 16th. Get on the whitelist in Discord. They have a Discord. I joined their Discord. Seems like some type of lottery ticket application that they're building. But I can make a separate video if you're interested in rewardspool.xyz. Flare Network says milestone unlocked. 10 million fast, low fee, and low carbon transactions completed on Songbird. Growing at speed thanks to Flare's amazing community. Last week alone, we saw over 1.4 million transactions, 811,000 blocks produced, 6.5K new wallet addresses registered, and 28.8 million Songbird FTSO rewards earned. That's amazing. They did say Songbird was one of the fastest growing blockchains in history, growing faster than Kusama did. You don't think Songbird could moon like Kusama did? I mean, Songbird is at like 14 cents right now. That's a steal. Patty XRP says, new video out where I break out the state of Songbird Network and Songbird Finance. I touch on network metrics, FTSO, DeFi, total value locked, and more. Plus, address some common questions around XFi Gamma. At Mr. Fresh Time, at Flare Networks, at Flare Finance. This is a great video, man. You should watch it. It's about 30 minutes long. Patty XRP like broke everything down, like to the technicals. Like it was really technical. I'll probably have to rewatch the video, you know, to completely understand everything. Like I don't know everything about Flare Finance, and I'm really grateful to have somebody like Patty XRP and Mickey B Fresh in the community to, you know, put me up on, you know, the things that I need to do in the current state of Flare Finance and Songbird Network. So if you're not already doing so, you should follow Patty XRP on Twitter at the real Patty XRP, and also follow Mickey B Fresh at Mr. Fresh Time. Now, Patty XRP also says, if you would like to see the weekly epoch metrics from the various FTSOs, then give Gene Lokima at Gene Lokima a follow. Love the work he is doing for the Songbird community here at Flare Networks. Gene says Songbird Epoch 15 has come to an end. Interesting epoch with the big over delegations. Let's see what's up next. Warning. Rates are a calculation. Actual data may differ. Warning. This is for educational purposes only. Hashtag XRP, hashtag Songbird, Flare XRP. Yeah, this is not financial advice. None of this is financial advice, man. Do your own research at the end of the day. Murad Toomey says, this fake Flare Finance website is asking me to connect with my seed phrase. Please never do that. You only need to sign a transaction with Bifrost/MetaMask to interact with a contract or send tokens, and only after you review the transaction at Flare Finance, at Community Flare, at Songbird Community. Make sure, you need to make sure, I was going to make another video about this, you need to make sure that you're on the right websites. When you're talking to support, you need to make sure you're talking to official channels, because the scammers are everywhere. I just seen another guy on YouTube who fell for this same scam with a fake Wonderland app. And they asked him to put in his keys for his MetaMask, and they stole all of his Avalanche. Man, that is sad. They stole all his Avalanche in his time. So make sure that you are on official websites and official channels. Never give out your private keys to anybody. All right? Now, finally, Flare Finance says 110 million plus in total value locked on Flare Finance platform. What are your predictions for total value locked on the Songbird network by the end of Q1 2022? Comment below. Let me know your price predictions. Let me know what you think the total value locked is. I think Flare Finance is going to have $1 billion market cap. X5 may have $1 billion market cap, you know. Let me know what you think. I think that the total value locked is going to eventually be billions of dollars. You know, we haven't even seen the launch of Flare Network yet. We haven't even got our Spark tokens yet. And we're already at 110 million total value locked. So, I believe that this is only the beginning. So, yeah, that's the video. At least we got an update about what's going on with our Songbird delegations. We didn't get Songbird last week, but they're saying we're going to get them this week. I don't know if we're going to get the Songbird from last week and this week together. We'll just have to wait and see. I mean, you know, just keep staking it, keep adding to your positions, and keep earning that SFIN. That's $1 million asset right there. All right, man. So let me know your price predictions for Songbird and total value locked for Flare Finance. Let me know your price predictions for Canary X. All right, this is RPU, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.